Alright, let's take a look at problem 6 in the Module 4 study guide. We're going to find the surface area of this figure. There are three different shapes, three different times that we need to find the surface area. We have the rectangular prism on the bottom, the rectangular prism on the top left, and the triangular prism on the top right. So let's start with the one on the top left. So let's see. This is what we're talking about. We're going to do this one right here first. As always, we start with the formula. Surface area equals perimeter of the base times the height of the prism plus 2 times area of the base. Okay, now we formula, then substitute the perimeter where we go 9 down, 9 across, 9 up, and 9 back across. That is 36 millimeters. In the save space, we will not write the units. Times the height, how far does it go back? And that is 9. Plus 2 times, so 2 times, the area of the base is 9 times 9, which is 81. Okay, so do these, and to save space, I've already done it. When you multiply these out, you should get 486 square millimeters. So that is just simply for the top. We need to do this 2 more times. So I'm going to try to go a little smaller here. Let's do the triangular prism next. So we, as always, start with the formula. Surface area equals perimeter of the base times the height of the prism plus 2 times area of the base. Surface area equals, and I'll put this one in red so we can see it. Now let's see, all the way across this bottom piece is 25. Now we know that this is 9 right here. So how much is the bottom of the actual triangular prism, or the triangle portion? That is 16. Because all the way across is 25, we know that this bottom is 9, because this top is 9, so that's 16, and the height here is 9. So that is 16 times 9. No, we need the perimeter first. I'm sorry, perimeter first. So 16, 9, and 18. You add those up, you get 43. So 43 times the height of the prism, it goes back 9, plus 2 times, now we find the area. The area is 16 times 9 divided by 2. I'd probably take half of 16 first, which makes it 8 times 9, which is 72. And then we get surface area equals, this is 387 plus 144, so surface area is 531 square millimeters. So we have 486 square millimeters, 531 square millimeters. Now we need to find the area of this bottom rectangular prism. So we're going to come over here. Hopefully it all fits. Surface area equals perimeter of the base times the height of the prism plus 2 times area of the base. The perimeter, let's do this one right here, is 25, 9, 25, and 9, which is 68 millimeters, times the height of the prism, which is 9. How far back does it go? 9 millimeters. Plus 2 times 25 times 9 is 225. Now you add those up, or you do the multiplication, and you get surface area is 612 plus 450, and we solve that. Surface area is 1,062 square millimeters. So these are the surface areas of our three shapes. So we need to add these up, but we're going to erase this because we're out of space. So that should have already been written down. If not, go ahead and rewind the video so that it's there and you see it. But I'm erasing this so that we have space to work. Now, we add those up. We had 486, 531, and 1,062. When you add those up, you get 2,079. I wrote that nice and big, so you can write that down. That's when we add up everything. We get 2,079. Now I'm going to erase that again so we have more space to work. 2,079, remember that number. 2,079. Now, with that number, we're going to need to subtract some things. So 2,079, we're going to put that over here. Now, we need to subtract, and I'm going to erase this so we can see the faces that are touching. And the faces that are touching, let's see, I see this face that's touching, and I see this whole bottom is touching. And I'm going to split that into two parts. I'm going to split that into this section and then this bottom section right there. So we have the bottom of the triangular prism and that same area on the top of the rectangular prism. We have the bottom of the rectangular prism in the top left and the same area on the bottom. And then we have the top rectangular prism and the side triangular prism and those sides that are touching, excuse me. So we have, well, let's do those. The area, let's start with this bottom here. How far is this one touching? Well, that is 9 times 9, which is 81. And we lose that twice. And that is 162. So we're going to subtract that. Now this one. What is this area? Well, this is 16 times 9. And we're going to lose that twice. Twice times 16 times 9. And that is 288. And then we're going to lose this one on the top on the sides. And that is 9 times 9 twice. So twice times 9 times 9, which is the same as that one. So we're losing 162 again. And when you subtract that, you get 1,467 square millimeters. The answer to number 6 is B.